This is Olga, and she's one of the last remaining Jews in Turkmenistan. So where are you from?
I'm from Ashgabat.
Born and raised?
No, I was born in the eastern part of Turkmenistan, Lebap region, close to Uzbekistan.
Cool. How many languages do you know?
Oh, how many languages? So let's see. Russian, fluently, then Turkmen, English, a bit French, and a bit Hebrew.
Okay, so speaking of Hebrew.
Yes.
Why do you know Hebrew?
Because I'm Jewish. My mom, she's a Jewish.
Olga has been my guide the last few days in Turkmenistan.
It's good.
So we're about to ride the world's largest covered Ferris wheel, and when I found out she's Jewish, I immediately became fascinated. There are Jews in Turkmenistan? How many Jewish people are in this country?
It's really interesting question because before it was the 350 families. Now it's approximately close to 30 families for now.
And you know most of them?
Yeah, I know most of them.
What's most fascinating about Olga's story is that she doesn't have to hide her religion despite living in a Muslim-dominant society. They accept any kind of religion here. Is it challenging to be Jewish here because it's a Muslim country or not really?
No. People are really friendly and they're really respectful for everybody.
You can say you're Jewish on the streets and nobody cares?
Yeah, of course.
Because some of the neighboring countries, I'm not going to mention names, it's not okay to say that you're Jewish.
No, it's okay. We are really peaceful.
And is there a
really
synagogue
peaceful.
here?
No.
So the only way to practice Judaism is in the house?
Yeah, we also try to keep our Jewish traditions. For example, we celebrate some holidays like Hanukkah or Rosh Hashanah or something, yes.
It's always great to connect with other Jews on my travels because it gives me a sense of home and community. And it really amazes me how the same traditions that I grew up with are held right here in Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. One more question. Can you say anything in Hebrew?
Oh, wow.
You know I was going to ask you that, right?
Yes, I know.
Do you want to practice off camera or do you know something now?
No, I know, of course, like shalom or, manishma.
Manishma?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.